Debbie, you're back.
I'm back.
And you promised me after showing us what I thought was you faking a demo, you insisted it was a prototype, but you would have the fully functional Folidmate this year in 2019. Does it fold?
Okay, so first of all, it was a mock-up last time, a fully interactive mock-up, and this time it's the first time we've brought a fully functional prototype to CES.
So this actually will fold this shirt?
It will, yes.
Okay, prove it.
I will prove it. And last year you asked about the little men inside, do you
yes,
remember?
you took the little man out from inside who folded it, and now there's actually
inside.
no little man. Okay,
no
go.
Little man. Okay, so it's really, really easy. You just clip it in like that. And we updated the technology. It's really simple, as you can see, and it automatically adapts to the item type and the item size.
And then down here at the bottom, you have that, and now it just disappeared, but you can hit the eject pile button.
Yeah, it disappeared because it's actually waiting for more. It's waiting for more items, and that's just that one item folded. Obviously, you can keep holding more.
I particularly like the little sound effect when it comes out.
I chose that.
Did you really? Okay, so this will fold how many shirts in how long a time?
Okay, so it will fold a whole laundry load, which is about 25 items, in less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes. Alan Cross suggests you're going to put a lot of Gap employees out of work.
So this version is actually a consumer version. However, we have had a lot of interest from laundromat owners, and we are now planning on making a commercial version, and we would like to supply that on a robot as a service basis to the laundromats, which means that even if you don't have a Folidmate at home, you will enjoy using the Folidmate in your local laundromat.
Wait.
Hang on, Alan's got a question.
I have a question. Okay, this was a t-shirt. Show me a collared shirt.
Okay, so this is a collared shirt. You've
shirt.
buttoned it up, I've noticed.
But we button up every other button, otherwise it won't lay nicely.
Okay.
Okay. And you just and like that. Let me just eject it, because you keep just doing one instead of a whole pile.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
It wasn't finished.
No, it's pressing it. It gives a little press. And it just likes to it neatens.
Well, there you go, man.
All right.
Not that you own any collared shirts.
I do. Now, this is only for shirts. Does it do like pants or?
So it does all these things here. You can see all of these things here.
So it'll do pants. It'll do collared shirts.
It does pants. It does towels. Yes. You see there's two clips there. The top clip is for the pants and for the towels, and the outer clips are for the shirts. Yes.
Now, the last time we had a conversation, I asked a very important question about whether or not this thing was capable of doing all sorts of other things, like, well, quite frankly, ladies' unmentionables and fitted sheets.
So no, we still can't do those things. The whole idea here was to try and fold the majority of the laundry that comes out of your washing every week.
Okay, so how much is Alan going to have to pay to fold his rock and roll t-shirts?
How much?
Okay, so the target price is still $1,000. However, it is not final. We're still working on it. We have a long and costly manufacturing process ahead of us.
And it's a lot of gear for $1,000.
I agree with you. Yes, that's exactly why it's difficult for us to keep the price that low. We are working on it.
And when we spoke last, you suggested that I might be able to walk into a Home Depot and pick this up in 2020. Is that still the plan?
It's still the plan, yes. But like I said, it's not final yet. We're working really hard on it, but it's not final.
To Alan's point, I don't know why you bother going consumer. Why not just go commercial?
So I mentioned before that the laundromat owners are interested in it. So we're planning on both. We would like to go commercial now. In actual fact, we're opening also a Series A round as well now if anybody's interested in investing in us. All
right, looking for Series A investing, Alan. How much cash you got on you?
I have about $65.
Okay, that's obviously not enough.
No,
what are you looking for?
We're looking for
some pretty big bucks.
Yeah, some pretty big bucks.
Yeah, and you've gotten some pretty interesting nibbles so far?
Yes, we have. Yes.
Okay, so what did you do with the little man who was in the box last time?
It wasn't there. I kept telling you he wasn't there.
He's unemployed now, isn't he? Come on, admit it.
Las Vegas.